Welcome to Lush Banners Feather Flag Assembly Guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your feather banner assembled correctly and ready to display with confidence. Step 1. Lay out all components on a flat surface. You should have your flag graphic, several pole sections, a tension cord, and a ground spike base with a rotating ball bearing. Step 2. Connect the pole sections by firmly inserting each piece into the next until the full pole is assembled. Step 3. Install the graphic. Slide the assembled pole through the sleeve of the flag, starting from the bottom and guiding it to the reinforced top. Step 4. Secure the graphic. Thread the tension cord through the loop on the bottom of the flag graphic and attach the loops to the hooks on the base pole. You may need to adjust the tension cord length using the cord lock to ensure the flag is secured properly. Step 5. Install the ground spike base in your desired location by driving it into the ground until it is secure. Make sure that the rotating connector remains above ground at all times. This allows smooth 360-degree rotation and helps reduce wind damage. Step 6. Once the spike base is secure, insert the pole into the base and confirm it rotates freely. And there you have it. Your feather flag is now fully assembled and ready to showcase your brand. Please note that feather flags are designed for normal daily promotional use, but should not be used in extreme weather conditions, such as winds over 40 miles per hour, storms, or blizzard conditions. If you are unable to use the spike base, we have a wide selection of additional bases available online at lushbanners.com. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team at lushbanners.com or give us a call at 800-818-3050. And as always, thank you for choosing Lush Banners.